paper?
No, just pour some hot water on there.
You want some hot? Where am I going to get hot water? Come on.
You don't even have hot
I don't
water.
even have hot water.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Old Volks TV. It's super stupid snowy out today, and I haven't been able to get into the bus for like, I don't know, a week. It's been so cold and icy. So I was finally able to fight my way in today and get it fired up. We're gonna test these grabbers. I'm a professional, and this is a closed course because nobody else is really driving around my neighborhood. So we're gonna go around the block and see how fun it is. Come on! I don't have a defroster. my safaris are covered in snow, so I'll just put them up. You know, that's that'll work, right? I don't know. Let's see. This snowy wonderland with safaris up. Let's give it a shot. Safaris up. 22 degrees outside. I'm going for a little ride. People think I'm nuts. It's actually not that bad. Disapproving looks from the locals. What do you think of that?
That's insane.
Dude, safaris are life.
What? Is it because you couldn't get the snow off of you?
Kinda. Safaris are life.
How's your traction?
So good.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Dude, I couldn't, in the truck, the only way I got out with the truck was 4x4.
I took the Jetta grocery shopping yesterday and it was just ice. There was no snow. It was terrifying. This was way more nice.
Yeah. Well, you got those,
Grabbers.
yeah, you got the grabbers.
That's General Grabber Mafia right there, baby. I got the bus out. I took a little
How's it
ride.
running?
It's running pretty good once I blew all the snow out of the tailpipe.
Oh, really?
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I gotta get my jacket.
Oh,
What? In this thing? Oh, you're insane.
for the record, he's wearing shorts. This me. I'm wearing shorts. It's awesome. All right, we're gonna go for a little ride. That's okay.
Chase, Jason is crazy. Came to pick me up. Safari's wide open.
It's 24 degrees out.
Texas, like 7-8 inches of snow. Go figure.
24 degrees outside. We're going for a ride. Gonna go look for somewhere to take some sweet pictures. It's not crazy, it's fun. Alright, there it was. Look at my face. It's freezing cold. It's all red. It's all bundled up like a sucker.
Oh yeah.
How was that? Safari's up?
It's cold.
24 degrees. You getting the bus now?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Grabber Mafia, baby. Alright, we're gonna try to knock the snow off these Safaris and gonna make the ride home.
Ice cream?
No, just pour some hot water on there.
You want some hot? Where am I gonna get hot water? Come on.
You don't even have hot
I don't
water.
even have hot water. Where am I even gonna get hot?
I can see a little more out of the top now. That's alright.
Yeah. Set up real tall.
We'll get it home. Thanks, buddy.
Hey, have fun, man.
I don't know. Let me know if you want to thaw out.
Ride safe.
You know what he's done. It's all around. Alright, we tried to clean the windows, but we got ice. And that ain't gonna work. So you know what that means. Safari's up. Much better. Alrighty, there it was. A nice little ride in the snow. It's well, you can't see out there. Pretty deep. We got about a foot of snow in my driveway. But that bus did it. Two-wheel drive grabbers. No issues. I got a little sloppy in some of the heavier stuff. and started slipping around a little bit, but not that bad. Driving the Jetta yesterday was way worse than driving the bus today. It's cold with those safaris up, but I'm rolling backwards a little bit. It's cold with those safaris up a little bit, but it is like 19 degrees outside now because the sun's starting to go down, so whatever. This was just a quick little fun one for you guys, and for me, and for John. He was bundled up like a little kid with all his jackets. It's not that bad. Alright, I'm gonna go inside and get warm. You guys go down there, find that link, get you a hoodie. They're so super warm and they're super cool because they got our logo on them. Hit that, hit our friends' links, VW Radio, Volks American Magazine, Volks Mania Magazine, and thanks for watching. Stay warm out there.